Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide.
For Ford's 04 to 08 F-150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed, and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 3. Remove the vehicle's leaf spring eye bolt, followed by removing the wheels and shocks to allow the axle to drop lower. Step 4. Lower the jack to allow the leaf springs to drop away. Next, remove the parking brake cable brackets. Step 5. Cut off the leaf spring bracket to let the part slide up to the frame. Continue to cut off desired material, while retaining enough to weld back onto. Slide the part into place and C-clamp it to the frame. Finally, completely weld the part onto the frame. And you're done.